Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the latest update concerning the down validator airdrop. All right, so this has been an airdrop that we have been riding for a couple of months right now, if not up to 1 year. To be honest with you guys, the latest update about this project right now is very interesting, though I expect them to do better because this project has been around for a couple of time right now, and I think they should be talking something even more serious than what they just brought up right now. Okay, so but regardless guys, we are going to be talking about it because I need you guys to stay on track. I will keep you updated until the end of the line to see what this project actually holds for us. So if you farmed grass airdrop season 1, you should know that this down airdrop is another airdrop that you shouldn't joke with. It is very important that you take it very serious. All right, so right now guys, before I talk about the update, let me show you a couple of stuff right here, the reason why we are going to be talking about the update and some of the few tutorials. So over here guys, this was the update that they dropped right here on their X account just 2 days ago. So over here they wanted to say that we are excited to share that we have released a new version of the Chrome extension. Mark that word, Chrome, new version of Chrome extension. While there are lots of improvements to the extension behind the scenes, the most notable ones is that we are transitioning account creation and login to be powered by Preview. So they just integrated Preview into their protocol, and right now you need to take some action right now on your own account to make sure that you are staying safe. All right, so over here guys, we are not going to be talking much about this, but the summary of everything is that you need to remove the previous extension you already added. Okay, you can see over here, this is the down validator right here. So we are going to be removing the old one, we are going to be starting the new one. So the link is going to be right there on the video description box. Right, so before I continue the video, please, on this channel I teach you all about cryptocurrency. I talk about crypto airdrop and I expose a lot of crypto earning opportunities, meaning that through my channel you can earn money regardless of the time and season through the channel, because I expose everything right. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly do it to subscribe, like this video, share it so that someone else will see it and of course take action, and the video will spread even more. So right now let's continue with the video. So what we need to do right now is to simply go ahead and remove the one you already have. So you click on remove from Chrome. Now it has been removed. So what you need to do next, what you need to do next is to go ahead and click on add to Chrome again. So clicking on add to Chrome again is going to be adding the new one, the latest version of this extension. So in just a couple of seconds right now, this is going to be added. So right now it has been added right now. What do we need to do from here? What we need to do is simply click on this extension button. If you are using Mrs. browser, you click it right there, but if you are using Chrome browser, you know how to get it right. So over here, this is the down validator new version. I will click on it. Clicking on it, it will open up right now. So I need to click on continue. So over here right now, you click on log in or sign up. I click on it. So right now you are going to be required to put an email right here. So the email that you need to put right here is the email that you already used while creating the first account on the first extension, which is the one that we just removed to add this new one. So use your old email, but if you are creating an account for the first time, simply use your email address, and of course I'll be leaving the invitation code right there on the video description box so that you will use it to get some bonuses. Okay, so right now I'll be inputting my email right here. So I've now added my email. So what I need to do right now is simply go ahead and submit it, and right now they are going to be sending an email to my email box. Okay, so they're going to be sending an email to my email box. Okay, so over here right now on my email box, I have to copy this code that they just sent to me. So I will head back right here. So I have to go ahead and paste it right there. And pasting it, it has gone through. So right now we are going to be taken into the main into the main account. So over here right now, they're going to be asking for an invitation code, right? Just like I said, the invitation code is going to be right there on the video description box. So put the invitation code right here, and then you continue from here. Okay, and right now immediately after that, you are going to be taken to your account. So over here, this is my account. I've got about 45,875 points right here, but using an invitation code is going to be giving you bonuses. This is because I already have an account. After creating your own account, you are not going to see this amount. And right now, once you are done with that, you go ahead and come over here to refer a friend. You go ahead and refer someone. So while logging in for the first time, this is of course the invitation code that you need to use. I'll be dropping it on the comment section. And also, if you have already logged in without an invitation code, simply come over here. Okay, you come over here, you write this invitation code. I'll be dropping it on the comment section. You copy it and paste it right here, then you apply it. That way it's going to be earning you some reward. Okay, so after that, guys, you go ahead and give them a follow on X. Of course, go to Discord and claim, and also follow their Telegram. Doing all this, you are going to be claiming some certain points from there. Okay, so after that, guys, you have now positioned yourself for this airdrop. So a lot of people may be asking what is next. So you can of course go to your dashboard right here. On your dashboard, you are going to be seeing how you are going to be earning so many stuff right here. Like that is how you were able to earn your points. Okay, so you can also go to their web dashboard. When I click on web dashboard right now, so this is going to be taking me to a whole new dashboard where everything is even more analyzed and displayed. Okay, so over here on their website, they are going to be asking you to sign up or log in. You click on log in. So you over here, you need to put your email again. So you click on submit. You are now logging in into their main website. So I will go to my email box right now because they will be sending me a new code. They just sent it. I will click on it. Then I'm going to be copying this email code right now, so I'll have to put it right here. I'm putting it right here right now. We have now gained access into the main web dashboard. So you can see this is how everything was, how you earn everything. And of course, this is where it's showing the current airport you're earning, your status, and so many stuff are going to be showing up even more clearer right here on the web dashboard. All right, so this new improvement actually it means that the TGE is around the corner. So if you are not taking this project serious, this is the right time for you to start taking it very, very serious. All right, so this is the update I have to pass you to you guys right now. If you have any question, let me know on the comment section. And this is literally what you need to do right now concerning the down validator airdrop in order for you to stay positioned for the TGE that is coming very, very soon. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very, very soon.